Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I want to tell you all once and again, you are YouTube's best. I cannot thank you enough for coming to our channel, watching our videos, leaving your absolutely nice comments I get all the time. I really appreciate that. And this, on our Burlap fashion show, all of the votes, you all are YouTube's best. Thank you for each and every vote. And I don't just mean for my channel, I mean for going and watching each of the videos and placing your votes. We so appreciate it. It just enhanced our videos so much. I also want to thank my fellow collaborators that participated in the Burlap fashion show. Burlap is not easy to work with. I mean, it is not easy. And these four ladies made the coolest stuff. So cute! There was J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, let me get it right, Peace Love Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly, and Creative 404. And I loved everything, but today I choose my favorite. I gotta tell you, I thought about it and thought about it and thought about it, and I'm going to choose J Dolls UK. She took burlap and made it cute enough to wear to a wedding. It was adorable and adorkable. Just love it. On my channel, Betty got 1 vote and Trinket got 13 votes. Thank you so much for that. The all-time winner, our top winner, was Beth Ramsden. Be sure to go to her channel and see what she has for you today. I encourage you to go to all the channels because we are each making announcements. There is one more person I would like to include in the thank you, and that is Erica at Rainbow Bites, who saw our fashion show and did a video making the cutest little burlap outfit and a little purse to match. You might want to drop by her channel and take a look. Thank you for watching. Thank you for participating. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.